22 children dying after consuming cough syrup in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan.
Numerous deaths owing to cough syrups have been reported from many states in the country. Young children have died after consuming the cough syrup.
WHO ने 3 भारतीय दवा कंपनियों द्वारा निर्मित कफ सिरप के कुछ बैचों को लेकर चिंता जताई है, जिनमें विषैला रसायन पाए जाने की पुष्टि हुई है।
Ethylene glycol and diethylene glycol, especially both of these marked here with special mention of diethylene glycol. This component is actually present as an adulterant in the cough syrup, and due to consumption of this adulterated cough syrup, people can die. There were instances in last couple of years, first in Gambia and Africa, and then in Uzbekistan in Central Asia, where after drinking cough syrup made by Indian pharmaceutical company, the children in this country died because of acute kidney injury. I mean, this looks very shocking, no? Adulterated cough syrup. Syrup is supposed to have glycerine in it. That is supposed to soothe the throat. But during the manufacturing process, to save cost or whether the entire process is all fudged, the glycerine component is lesser, and rather there is presence of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol presence in the cough syrup that can actually contribute to development of a renal shutdown. And the reason for this is also what I would like to mention, that can be like calcium oxalate crystals can be triggered. I mean, this cough syrup part was very highlighted by the international media, and Indian government got a lot of, I would say, scolding from WHO that we need to maintain good QC, that is quality care. Guys, you will notice a lot of young people nowadays using large amount of protein supplements or gym supplements.